Ford is giving Mustang fans another reason to get excited with the arrival of the new Mustang FP800S. Instead of introducing an entirely new model, the company has created a factory-backed performance package that transforms the Mustang GT into a true high-performance machine while keeping the confidence of an approved Ford performance upgrade. The biggest highlight is what sits under the hood. The familiar 5.0-liter Coyote V8 now works with a 3.0-liter Whipple twin-screw supercharger, pushing output to as much as 810 horsepower and 615 pound-feet of torque on models equipped with the active exhaust system. That puts the FP800S in the same conversation as some of the fastest factory muscle cars ever built, while still offering buyers the choice of a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. Ford did not stop with more power. The package also includes upgraded fuel injectors, revised engine calibration, a larger throttle body, a high-efficiency intercooler, stronger rear half shafts, performance-lowering springs, and optional tuning for MagneRide-equipped cars. These upgrades are designed to help the Mustang deliver its power with greater stability, traction, and confidence, whether it is driven on the street or taken to a track day. The appearance has also received special attention. Buyers can choose from unique black or bronze-themed packages featuring exclusive wheels, graphics, badges, and trim pieces that make the FP800S stand out without going over the top. Optional carbon fiber aerodynamic components and other Ford performance accessories allow owners to personalize the car even further. Perhaps the most impressive part of the FP800S is that it is more than just an aftermarket modification. When installed according to Ford's requirements, the package is backed by a factory-supported warranty, giving owners peace of mind that is difficult to find with traditional high-horsepower upgrades. For drivers who have been waiting for a modern Mustang that delivers Shelby-level performance with factory support, the Mustang FP800S could be one of the most exciting performance cars Ford has offered in years.